Dear students, just keeping in mind the importance of online teaching, please be serious about online teaching. Many of you are still facing problem and not able to view the video links sent by all the subject teachers. And if you still feel that you can cope up with all the video links together, afterwards will be very difficult for you. So whatever possible device your parents can make available for you, ask your parents to make it available as early as possible. Of course, teachers will make parents aware about the importance of online teaching, but you are the one who are going to watch all the video links and study for your exams. So please don't waste time. So whatever device you can make available for yourself, which can give you a proper net facility, make it available and be serious about online teaching given by our school, because we are there for you, but you should also be sincere and serious from your side. So let us continue with today's lecture, and as I told you last lecture, we have completed the methods of preparation of haloalkanes. So today we have here few reactions of haloalkanes. In that, the first category is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now let us understand what is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now in haloalkane, the nucleophile, that means the negative part, the electron rich part in haloalkane is halogen, bromine, chlorine, fluorine, iodine. So they are the nucleophile, and this particular halogen, now we will see the reaction where this particular halogen in haloalkanes will be substituted by a stronger nucleophile. Only stronger nucleophile can substitute weaker nucleophile, that is halogen, in case of haloalkanes. So let us start with the first reaction here. Substitution by OH group means substitution of halogen atom in haloalkanes by OH group. Look at this reaction here. It's a haloalkane, bromomethane. Reacting with KOH, and KBr is lost, and Br is substituted by OH, which is a stronger nucleophile, as compared to Br. That's why this reaction is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this is the first reaction here. Now second reaction is substitution by alkoxy group. Now again we have a haloalkane here, ब्रोमोइथेन. क्या नाम है यह हलोअल्केन का? नाम क्या है यहाँ पे? ब्रोमोइथेन, 2 carbon atoms. And this is sodium methoxide. What is the name? Sodium methoxide. So here they react, NaBr is lost, and here Br is substituted by alkoxy group, which is here methoxy group, and you get this class of compound which you already know. They are called as ethers. Okay. So this particular ether is ethyl methyl ether or methoxy ethane. So this is also an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now the next reaction, haloalkane reacting with sodium salt of acetylene. अगर यहाँ पे अगर H होता, Na की जगह पे अगर हम लोग H लिखेंगे तो क्या मिलता है हमको? क्या मिलता था? एसिटिलीन, इथाइन और एसिटिलीन. But that H is replaced by sodium. That's why it is also called sodium acetanilide. क्या बोल सकते हैं? Sodium acetanilide. So this particular two reactants will react. Here also NaBr is lost, and this is the negative part here. C triple bond CH will get attached to CH3. Br is substituted by this nucleophile. Okay. So in all the reactions, you have to understand. Okay. In the second reactant, which is the nucleophile, that is important, because our first reactant is of course haloalkane everywhere, and in haloalkane I told you nucleophile is halogen. So in second reactant you should know which is the nucleophile. For example, again starting with this particular reaction, here the nucleophile in the second reaction is OH. Here nucleophile in second reactant is OCH3, and here the nucleophile in the second reactant is C triple bond CH. And these are stronger nucleophile as compared to the halogen atoms in haloalkane. That's why they can substitute the halogen atoms, and that's why they are under this category, that is nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkanes. Okay. Now in physical property, okay, always we have studied the two main physical properties like the solubility of haloalkanes in water, why they can be soluble in water, why they are insoluble or sparingly soluble. Okay, reason you know physical properties already, notes I have sent to you, so you just read and understand, because from 11th standard we are studying the physical properties. One important concept here is the CX means halogen. The CX bond in haloalkanes is polar. Now why it is polar? Because X is more electronegative than carbon. X is more electronegative than carbon. So negative charge is developed on halogen and positive charge is developed on carbon. And once these charges are developed, you know, the molecule becomes So this give reason can be asked in examination. Okay. So again just practice the reaction. Okay, one time you write at least one time in some other book, not in your chemistry copy. Okay, now maintain some other book for practicing the reactions. Because this chapter, okay, notes already I have sent, you also written, and now we will be checking through campus care all the assignments which are given to you by us, okay, in coming days. So be prepared and keep your chemistry copies, assignments, then the revision questions which are given after each notes, answers for the revision questions. So all these things you keep ready because this will be checked now. Okay, so feel relaxed. Okay, because you have to cover all the subjects. So feel relaxed and do your work. And once your parents hand over the mobile to you, okay, be sincere in using the mobile and watching all the video links. Okay, so practice this well. Any doubts you can ask, and we'll continue with few more important reactions. If the reactions are similar, okay, then I'll directly start with haloarenes. Okay, but if board examination point of view, I've sent the notes. Okay, some important reactions are there. Then I'll of course explain one more lecture for the chemical reaction of haloalkanes, and then I'll continue with haloarenes. So that's all for today. Take care and have a nice day. Thank you.